Hi, my name's Nathan Nifong, and I'm designing an open source robot to do housework based on a Raspberry Pi. By basing it on a crane platform that hangs from the ceiling of your room, I hope to keep it affordable and solve a whole bunch of problems at once. The problem is simple. Picking up stuff on the floor is a large portion of the housework that consumes our time, and a large portion of that stuff doesn't need to be picked up carefully because it's laundry or trash. Nor does it need to be set down carefully. It can just be tossed in the appropriate container. This should mean there's a sizable fraction of housework that does not require an expensive and advanced robot to do. But despite incredible advancements recently in robot locomotion, navigating a messy environment either on wheels or on foot is a hard problem that, even if solved, costs more in terms of sensors, actuators, and processing. A crane hanging from the ceiling almost completely avoids the navigational problem, and having stationary cameras reduces the data processing needs. If a mass is hanging from 3 or more lines, its position is determined by the length of those lines and the positions where they're anchored. With one motorized spool on each line, we have control of the mass within a fairly large work area. While 3 lines would be enough, using 4 gets us a rectangular work area for only a slight increase in the complexity of the control problem. We could put a gripper directly on the platform where the lines meet, but this means that the lines would frequently be at levels where you could walk into them, and nobody wants to do that. So to make it a bit less easy to walk into, we hang the gripper from another vertical line and give it a motorized spool to reel itself up and down with. The gripper needs power, and this can be delivered by making one of the lines it hangs from a power supply wire. The technical requirements of this wire are quite demanding: low friction, low memory, low weight, low visibility, and high tensile strength, but I think I've found a combination that works. The gripper is a 2-fingered design with a linkage that combines near parallel movement when mostly closed with near circular movement when mostly open. Strong hobby servo motors made for RC cars have a strength to weight ratio that's good enough here, but improvements in weight are definitely possible. I've included a camera, laser rangefinder, and inertial measurement unit in the gripper as well to assist with homing in on targets. The vertical line that the gripper hangs from allows it to swing freely and rotate, so we take an approach of timing the grips rather than trying to actively position the gripper exactly in the best way. The status of the project right now is that point-to-point motion is possible on a good day, with many bugs left to work out, and the gripper can pick up and drop objects, but only under manual control. If you want to follow this project, feel free to subscribe or get involved. All the plans to build it are public, and I'll be selling hardware kits soon. I don't plan to release very many videos, but I'll try my best to keep you updated and explain the interesting parts along the way. Thanks for watching.